What's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is he got out of jail and did this. Come on, man, you couldn't even stay free for that long, man. Come on, let's go, let's get into it.
Can I help you?
You're good, man. Hey, Chris, come here.
Can you leave me alone?
Hey, no, bro. So I just got a call on you, okay? Because you're out here tweaking, right?
Hey, guess what, sir?
So guess what?
Guess what? I just asked you a question. Did I not?
You did, but let me tell you something, man.
Tell you my name.
Okay, and
I
know who you are. Chris, don't start.
Leave me alone.
Chris,
Leave me alone.
it's gonna be Chris.
That's great.
Come here, Chris. Chris, come here. I'm not gonna tell you again.
Who are you?
Come here.
Who are you?
Step to the front of my unit over here.
Who are you?
Officer Lotta, Carlsbad Police Department.
Who?
Officer Lotta, Carlsbad Police Department. Step to the front of my unit, Chris.
Have a good day, sir.
No, sir. You're not free to go. Chris, you're not free to go. Chris.
Let me go.
Chris.
Let me go. You're gonna piss me off.
Chris,
Bad, dog.
just let me talk to you, Chris. Calm down.
Let me go. If you want to talk to me, you can talk to me. You want to talk to me in a physical way or what? Is that what you're trying to
Let's
do?
go to the front of my unit.
I am in front of that unit. Let my arm go now.
Chris, please don't do this.
Please don't do what?
Just put your arms behind your back.
Please don't do what, dude? Let me go.
Chris.
Dude, you're really pissing me the
Chris,
bro.
Don't start.
That's a good
Chris.
tattoo
Don't
work.
start what, dog? Let go already, bro.
Step up the unit, Chris. He's resisting.
I'm standing in front of a unit. Resisting what?
Chris, just step to the front of my unit, man. Why do you got to do this? I don't want to get you another charge. Chris, don't be reaching.
I'm calling for my attorney, dude.
Chris, don't be reaching.
Oh, dude, you're
Chris,
pissing
I'm
me
about
off.
to take you to the ground.
I want my attorney now.
Chris, I'm about to take you to the ground.
I want my attorney.
Chris, stop. Stop, Chris.
Hey, guess what?
Ground with that mill.
Resisting how? Resisting how?
Turn around, Chris.
Resisting
Put
how?
your arms behind your back.
My hands are right here. Cuff them. Cuff them.
Put them behind your back.
No. Let me go, dude.
Nope.
I hate you. You're a dog.
Give me your other arm.
Did, huh? I'm detained, ain't I?
God damn it, Chris.
What did I do?
Y'all look good.
Take it out now. I'm not gonna move it all.
There you go.
I've been just chilling this whole time, dog.
Yeah, we're good, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, what'd you call? For who? Can you tell me what's going on?
Stand up, Chris.
I almost fell in the canal. These guys almost put me in the canal. I fell in the canal. That's crazy. I was walking on those rocks over there,
Chris,
man.
stand up.
Chris, stand up. And I sat in the water.
Come on. Chris, talk to me.
Why did you stop me?
Stand up.
I'm asking this man why he stopped me in the first place.
Chris, why
I'm standing my ground. I want to know
I'll tell you
exactly what's going on. You stopped me, so I'm asking
dragging you,
right
Chris.
now. That's my American right. Hey, you're choking me, dude. You're choking me. My jacket's choking me, man.
stand up and walk and that won't happen.
That's my American right. That's my right. I gotta stand up for my rights, right? Why do you think you have the right to search me and stop me when I'm walking down the road or the canal or whatever this is? This just says no motor vehicles, don't it?
Chris, you just got out of jail like
Dude,
yesterday.
shut up. No, I don't even know.
I was there when you got
goddamn
released,
thing
man.
you're talking about, man. That's crazy, man. Because I can't even see what I'm talking about.
Chris, what are the last four of your social?
No matter what, you don't have the right to stop me. What did I do? You ought to stop me.
I
Huh?
told you why.
You saying you're arresting me for what? Resisting?
Yeah, you're arrested for
That's
resisting. You have a
crazy.
warrant.
Why'd you stop me from walking down the road?
And you have a warrant, brother.
That's crazy, man.
Okay, you're being detained.
Due process is due process, and you're doing everything wrong.
Remember that right you had? Go ahead and continue to exercise it, okay?
I will whenever I want.
Wait. Time out. He got a warrant and he just got released yesterday? Why didn't the jail transfer him to wherever he was gonna go? Like, to go deal with the warrant? Like, that's it. Nah, that's like a setup. Like, I mean, don't get me wrong. Yeah, he's like mentally, he not right. But like, I'm saying, there's no way he got a warrant from being released yesterday to today. It's like 4 in the afternoon. So like 5:15. So wait, yeah, it's like 4. So, or like 3. But anyways, how do you get a warrant that fast? Come on, man.
Okay, however I want to. It's my right to a fair trial. Lots of rights, correct? Miranda rights, all kinds of rights, dude.
Hey, are you gonna stand up and walk?
Title 18 section. I've asked for my attorney already. Yeah, the call was for what? Somebody almost fell in the canal? That was supposedly what it was. But guess what, dude? Yeah. I was not almost falling in the canal, was I? And you stopped for me? Really? What if someone did fall in the canal, you idiot?
Are you gonna walk?
Are you gonna do your job right or not, dude?
Alright, sit up so we can walk you to the unit. If not, we'll just drag you like this, okay?
You're whack as
Okay, ready, 1, 2, 3.
I've asked for my attorney, and guess what? Y'all motherfuckers shot me. It's illegal. Don't you remember that? You're under investigation. Don't y'all remember that?
You ready?
For shooting me, remember?
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Y'all were all involved. You can tell by all the charges y'all put on me.
Sit in there, Chris.
That's led up to this point.
Hang on, you're gonna stand up now, okay? Because we need you to get in the car. So whenever you want to stand up, we'll get you in the car. Okay?
No, you're hurting me so bad.
Keep coming.
I ain't moving at all. I told you I wasn't gonna move.
Be out at 102 East Cottonwood. Yes, sir.
Ready?
That's dragging.
Ready?
I haven't even moved, man. Oh, look, that one. I moved my one leg just now, just a hair.
Get your legs in there, Chris. I don't know why you're acting all out.
Are you trying?
Yeah.
That's crazy, dude.
Put your foot in, Chris.
I'm telling you, I'm asking questions. I want my answer.
Okay, and I'll give it to you. Put your foot in.
We'd rather you just put your foot in like a big boy.
Like a big boy, I'd rather you be a man and ask my question.
What's your question, Chris?
What's your question?
What?
What is your question?
I can't hear you. What?
What's your question?
What name did you say?
Christopher.
Huh?
Never mind.
You know what's crazy? How many people here,
Put your leg in.
cases piled up on cases. Okay. You can't do that. Dude, you put fake charges on people already.
I put fake charges on you?
You put...
Because I put out the warrant for your arrest, right? No, I didn't.
Put your foot
in. Put your foot in.
You what?
Put your foot in the vehicle, Chris.
What warrant, dude? Let me see the piece of paper, dude. What's the real signature, bro? Come on, man. You tased me, bro.
Chris, listen, put your foot in or you're going to get tased.
Are you threatening me?
Yes, I'm telling you. If you don't put your foot in, you're going to get tased. Put your foot in, Chris. Chris, you're going to get tased. Put your foot in. You're going to get tased.
You're a punk ass little dog. A warrant for my arrest, dog. You're crazy, dude. For what?
You good? I'll say. All right. Good? Yeah.
Dude, I don't give a about what you say. I know I ain't the one to blame. I ain't what the you blame.
I'll be honest. When he said it was Christopher, I was like, well, he just got out of jail yesterday. I just saw him. Like, there's no way he has a warrant. Why'd they let him out of jail yesterday?
I don't know. He got released like...
No, it was like a day or two ago.
Yeah, it was like sometime this week because he had a case that he was supposed to show up for. He didn't show up and they just released him like the day before it happened.
Just stupid.
Christopher was charged with criminal trespass and resisting a peace officer. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.